You know me as the Rainforest. You call me the lungs of the world. I have been here for 240 million years, about 4,000 times longer than you. I don't need you, and it's evident that people think they don't need me. But I think you do, you see. Every breath you take is partly because of me. I produce almost a quarter of all of the oxygen on this planet that supports all life on Earth. You know that vital component in each and every breath you take to fuel every single cell in your body? Well, that's partly me. If I go, so does millions of animals and plants that depend on me. A unique web of life that is forming an irreplaceable, ever-evolving system will be destroyed. You see, I provide a habitat for half of all the land-living species on this planet. I affect your climate, your weather. Without me, Mother Earth is heating up, and the world that I leave behind will be a victim to frequent droughts and heat waves. The heat will make the glaciers melt faster. Sea levels will rise, and hurricanes, wildfires, and floods will be part of your daily life. I cure your diseases. Your health is in my hands. You see, a fourth of all your existing medicine comes from me, and will also die with me. Once I am gone, I am forever gone, and I will never be back. Your actions will determine your fate. I don't need you, and if you think that you don't need me, think again.